Hello YouTubers! So this is our 119th design of the year. This is our version of the Gamorrean Guard's axe. We're doing a collaboration with my sister, hopefully, to do a full guard outfit. We're doing the weapons for it. So there's the smaller axe. Looks pretty good. Looks like it come out pretty nice. Alright, let's take it out, clean it up, sand it, paint it, finish this video. Alright, here we are, filler primered up. Still a little tacky. I'll probably sand them up at lunch. Finish painting it then. Try to get these videos posted tonight. It's pretty sweet. Number 119, Gamorrean Guard axe. Alright. Let that dry, we'll get sanded up, paint up, finish this video. Looking good though. Alright, here we go. All done. There you go. There's our design number 119 of the year. Our version of Gamorrean Guard's axe. We'll have to do a prop size one of these to go with the costume. I think come out pretty good. So what do you think? If you like the design, you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks for watching, and have an absolutely wonderful weekend. God bless.